Hi, today I will explain about the operator types. Before we have discussed about the operator's pure functions used to take one observable as input and gives an observable output. So, but operators can do some operations. This can be divided into three types. Here, um, nine types around creation, mathematical, join operator, transformation, filtering, utility, conditional, and multicasting, and error handling. So we will discuss about the one by one operators. Here, creation operators having ajax operators. So I will explain about the ajax clearly with an example. So here ajax operator is one of the create operators. So this operator will make ajax responses and results. So here we can use the URL to explore that value of data from the server. So here I can provide. So let ajax request. So in this ajax request, I am providing ajax ajax operator. So in this operator, I should give this URL here. So when we use this URL, we can get the data. So after that, we are using uh, pipe method. So here, why we are using pipe method? We can add multiple pipes, multiple operators using the pipe method. So here I am adding some map filter. So in this map, uh, I will access every data p dot response. Okay, so I can access this. Then I have to subscribe to get the values. So here I'm taking ajax request and subscribe. So I'm taking subscribe method. In the subscribe method, I have to put some next. So this is similar for all. If you want to get the value, you can use this next method. So you have to import from this like import. In the import, you have to provide some um uh, ajax, comma map, ajax from Rxjs ajax and import map method from Rxjs operators. So here I'm providing Rxjs to P. So uh, here we have given operators directly, so we can get the value. Why? Because here I'm getting some error undefined value. So you have to provide this HTTP results. So I have a problem with this URL, so it's not showing. So this is the procedure of AJAX request. What we have in the given. So mostly we are using to create an operator concept. This AJAX method is working. Okay. So then this. Next class we will discuss about the from method.